We're a company based in Kilkenny. We've got 50 people working for us, and we've got two core companies, Lawler Consulting and Lawler Sustainability. Lawler Sustainability are offering sustainability consulting services, delivery of energy upgrade projects and the maintenance of those projects also. And separately, we have a technology platform, Vision, that carries out energy management and monitoring within buildings. The research project, it is a Horizon Europe project. The project is called Smart Spin. It's a European acronym, and what it endeavours to do is to bridge the difficulty that is seen in property, where properties won't be upgraded and renovated and decarbonised at the rate that we need because they sit in the landlord-tenant demise. There's huge concern around the buildings and their carbon footprint. So where we are is 30 Herbert Street. So typically the things we would look to do here is to decarbonise it. So take out the gas boilers. We would look to put in PV. What makes this project unique is it's the first time in Ireland and in Europe where this business model is being used to accelerate decarbonisation of a huge building stock. And the important part of it is the technical solutions are already developed and proven. It's the finance part of it and the collaboration part of it that are so different about this project and a key to its success. For us, it's hugely exciting to be shortlisted for these awards. It means so much. We are a company that has a huge culture of innovation. Sometimes that can be difficult territory, encouraging people to be early adopters. To be here in contention for this award for our team back in Kilkenny is just massive.